Ever feel like your jaw has a grudge against you? It kinda does. Your body has a secret way of dealing with stress, and your teeth are the punching bag. When you're anxious, your brain triggers unconscious muscle tension, especially in your jaw. It's called Bruxism, and it causes you to clench or grind your teeth even in your sleep. Over time, this can flatten your molars, cause headaches, and even crack your fillings. Some people grind so hard, dentists can tell just by looking. So if you wake up with a sore jaw, your brain might have been throwing hands in your mouth all night. For scroll's sake, history is wild. Subscribe for more facts you didn't ask for.